This is a shark fin and fish maw processing plant that handles product from arrival to export.
This is where bulk shipments of raw fins and fish maw arrive before processing. The fins are moved immediately to the washing and pre-cleaning areas upon arrival. Before any boiling or drying, the fins must be sorted and roughly cleaned of obvious debris.
Rough sorting and debris removal happen before more intensive washing and trimming.
The rinsed fins now move into boiling to change their texture, color, and odor before drying.
Boiling helps reduce odor, adjust texture, and standardize the appearance before drying.
Controlled boiling times and temperatures are critical for achieving the desired texture in shark fins and fish maw.
Stirring helps ensure even heating and prevents fins from clumping together.
After boiling, excess moisture must drain before the fins can move to drying racks.
The boiled fins must now be laid out on racks to begin the drying process. Controlled airflow and spacing are crucial for consistent drying.
Once this initial drying step is complete, the fins move on to trimming, secondary drying, and grading.
Here, the semi-dried fins are trimmed and shaped before undergoing further drying and grading.
This stage fine-tunes the dryness and texture before the fins are presented to the graders.
Careful control of time and airflow here helps lock in the final texture that buyers expect.
The highest value pieces are separated based on size, shape, and overall appearance, shaping how much the plant earns from each batch.
Subtle differences like thickness, uniformity, and color can dramatically change the value of each fin.
Once graded, the product is separated by quality tier and moved on toward final checks and packaging. This last drying pass ensures the product meets the dryness and appearance standards demanded by export buyers.
Visible flaws at this stage can downgrade entire batches, so selective removal is critical.
The plant logs basic quality data and grades to trace each batch through to export shipments.
Only after passing final checks are fins allowed to move into the packaging stage.
Sealed, transparent packaging allows buyers to visually confirm quality and grading before purchase. Once boxed, these units join many others in storage, waiting for shipment to buyers around the world. These pallets represent the final stage inside the plant before export, connecting the factory floor to distant markets. Every one of these anonymous cartons is tied to a controversial demand far beyond this warehouse.
Once these pallets leave the dock, the products vanish into a global supply chain where their origin is rarely seen by end customers.
The controversy around shark fin and fish maw is largely invisible at this stage, hidden behind standardized pallets and paperwork. Whatever one thinks of this trade, its scale and secrecy begin in rooms that look a lot like this.